Upcoming Mahzooz draw prediction, which is drawing on 18th June 2022. Friends, my golden number for this draw, golden numbers, number 1 is 11 and number 2 is 36. These two numbers very high chances to come. You can pick one number from here in your selection. My 16 powerful numbers out of 49. From 1 to 9 I have 5 numbers. Number 1 is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 9. From 10 to 19 I have 3 numbers, 13, 16 and 17. From 20 to 29 I have 4 numbers, 20, 24, 25 and 26. From 30 to 39 I have 2 numbers. Number 1 is 34 and 38 and one golden number is 36. From 40 to 49 I have 2 numbers. Number 1 is 40 and number 2 is 45. Friends, these are my 16 powerful numbers which has very good chances to come in the upcoming draw of Mahzooz. Now come to the pattern. Friends, you should select your maximum number between 2 to 26. 3 or 4 numbers should come between 2 to 26. Many friends skip this part of the video. This is most important point. If you don't follow the pattern, then you will lose your 50% in the game. So please concentrate in this portion. This is very important for game. If you follow this pattern, your winning chances will be increased. You should select 3 odd numbers, and 2 even numbers. My favorite pattern for this draw, I am showing first time, so please concentrate. My favorite pattern for this draw, you should select 2 numbers from 1 to 9, 1 number from 10 to 19, 1 number from 30 to 39 and 1 number from 40 to 49. This is my favorite pattern. If you like, you can select your numbers according to this pattern. Now if the number will repeat from previous result is 6, 22, 23, 39 and 48. In my previous prediction, these 3 numbers was made from my prediction. Friends, if you want to play the repeated number, only one number has chances, that is 48. 48 can repeat in this draw, only one number. It is good chances. If you want to play repeated number from previous result, then only one number, that is 48, you can select in your selection. Okay friends, this is my final prediction for the upcoming draw of Mahzooz. If you like any number or pattern from this video, you can choose. If you don't like, you can leave it. So good luck to all and wait for my next video. Goodbye.